Hello. And somebody told me to play this game, so let's just get into it. I don't know if this might be a one-time thing, because they told me it was pretty scary. Okay, I don't, please. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I thought this was, oh gosh, this is gonna horrify me so much. Oh, what? Okay, I have no idea what to do. That did not help. What the? Okay, that's how to pause it. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. What am I supposed to do? Click on, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Go to current room. Where's that? Oh gosh, I am already scared. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh! 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 Oh gosh, that scared me. Okay, I shout out to Purple Slime Dude 56, I guess. And also shout out to be right back. You may be why, but yeah. Oh, hey guys. This probably isn't the game he suggested, but I'm playing it. Oh gosh, what am I supposed to do? I am still so confused. Oh gosh, you can do that, you can do that, you can do that, you can do that, you can do that. Oh gosh, oh my god, what is that music? What is that music? Oh my gosh, stop, I don't want to play this, I don't want to play this, I don't want to play this. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, you can open doors. That is not a Five Nights at Freddy's game. No, 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 no. Let's play this. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I couldn't deal with that. Night 3. Oh gosh. And by the way, I'm planning something special for the 100 subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers. Guys, what the freak? Seriously. I haven't played this game in a while. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna try one attempt. And in this video. Because I did not want this to be a fine. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. It's my brother. It's hard to hear. I'm so sorry that I couldn't. Oh my gosh, Tristan, I'm making a video. Oh gosh, look behind me. I gotta check again. Yeah, that's what I thought. Come on. Double check. Who?